In this video, let us understand how to place a market order in the scrip of our choice. In this example, let us place an order in Bajaj Auto. The first step would be to click on the scrip. In the panel which opens up, you can now click on the buy button to place a buy order or the sell button to place a sell order. Alternatively, if you wish to track the chart while placing the order, please click on this button. The chart window will now open up and the buy and sell buttons will now be readily displayed to you. Let's start by placing a buy order. Please click on buy. In the order placement panel, which has opened up, you can now select the quantity of shares you wish to buy. Let us increase the quantity to 5 shares. You may click on the plus button or input your quantity over here. Please verify if the market order option has been selected. If you wish to place an intraday order, you can view your margin requirements over here. Please note that this panel is used for placing intraday orders. If you wish to place a cash and carry order, switch to invest over here. Once you switch, you may notice the margin requirements changing accordingly. Now, let's place an intraday buy order. To do so, click on buy. We have now managed to successfully place the buy orders as shown by the notifications. In order to track your orders, head back and click on portfolio. Your executed order will be displayed here.